Hey, it's Morgan with WTI.
We have found the perfect cooler by Blue Coolers. This is the Cobalt 25 quart. It is amazing. We love it for the beach. It just is the perfect cooler. It holds so much. It's great for work. If you're a construction worker or you need it for a road trip, it is the perfect size. Or if you're having a backyard barbecue, this is the cooler for you. It holds so much and it is just that perfect size that you need, especially in the summer when you are doing a lot of things. And this just held everything that we needed for our beach day or for a work day. It is the perfect capacity and it really kept our items cold throughout the entire day on into the next day. The snap closures are great. It's really satisfying to snap them in place and it's so easy to use. This is such a versatile cooler. We absolutely love the color as well. This is the cobalt blue color. We got a lot of compliments on it at the beach, and it's just really great for any situation that you need. It holds ice for up to 3 days, which is awesome. And it has a lot of really good features that are so helpful. Again, those snap closures are awesome. There's a bottle opener, and the handles themselves are great. They're even removable if you want to carry it that way, but they are very comfortable to use. The grips are fantastic and even has this rapid drain system on the side as well. And we were just really impressed with the quality of this cooler. We used it all day for a lot of different things, and it was just the perfect cooler to have. It looked so good on the beach, and we really enjoyed all of the features. And we are definitely going to be using this cooler for a very long time to come.
I love this cooler, and that's my point of view.